Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial by Zeilhan. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add the SEO plugin Rank Math to our website. And remember, we already built this website in one of our previous tutorials. If you want to learn how to do that, then you can just watch the tutorials linked in the description and the card will appear above. But for this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to add the Rank Math SEO plugin to our website. And then after that, in the next tutorial, what we're going to learn is we're going to learn how to optimize our blog posts and our tech reviews for traffic. That way you're going to get the website traffic to your blog, to your reviews. You can get the affiliate commissions afterwards. So we're taking things in stages, and I know not everyone's going to be interested in that. So this is a website. Let's just go ahead and add the plugin real quick. I know that not everyone is here for the website. So we're going to go to Dashboard, Plugins, and on Dashboard Plugins, as you know, we're going to type Rank Math in. Actually, we're going to add new plugin, sorry. And then we're going to go to Popular. Rank Math should be under Popular. If it's not under Popular, you can just go ahead and search for it. And Rank Math SEO. All right, so if you don't see Rank Math on the Popular tabs, just go to Search and type Rank Math. And here we have Rank Math. Go ahead and click Install Now. After you've clicked Install, go ahead and click Activate. This is where it's going to get beautiful. So now we're going to go ahead and configure this plugin. First, we're going to have to connect our Rank Math and our Google accounts. Now, the Rank Math account is going to say, hey, this is the person who's using the plugin. And the Google account is going to add our Google Analytics and our Google Search Console. Now, Google Search Console, real quickly, just so you guys understand what's happening. Google Search Console is going to tell you it's going to tell the SEO status of your website. So if you have links that are broken, pages that aren't working properly, some pages that aren't being displayed properly on the desktop, on mobile or tablet, for example, you're going to get that information. You're also going to get search terms and so on. Meanwhile, in Google Analytics, and you can connect Google Analytics with Google Search Console, you're going to have the actual analytics part of your website. So how many visitors you get, where they're from, how much time they spend time on your site, which search terms are generating the most website traffic, etc. So that's how we're going to connect these. Just go ahead and click Connect Your Account. First, we need to log into Rank Math. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and agree. I should have an account. So I'm going to go ahead and log into that. If you guys don't have an account, go ahead and create one and log in. Go ahead and activate. All right, we're going to use the advanced setup. So go ahead and hit Start Wizard. Now, for your site is a personal blog. That's what we have right here. It is a personal blog. If you have a small business website, then you're going to go with a small business site. If it's e-commerce, you're going to go with a web shop. And if it's just a news or blog, well, here we have blog or news site. We're going to leave it as organization. Most times you're going to leave it as organization. You can go ahead and search through different types of businesses here, but I won't go ahead and do much more. I'm just going to leave it as organization. We're going to leave the website name, and we're going to keep the website alternative name as Zeilhan Affiliate Blog. So we're going to call the website alternate name Zeilhan Tech Reviews. We're going to continue. We're going to keep the same logo. And I'm going to change the logo to the colored version. All right, go ahead and use that file. And I'm going to leave a social image. It's going to be this one. And save and continue. Now, to connect your Google services, that's where it's getting interesting, because you're going to have to create a Google Analytics account. And then after you create your Google Analytics account, you're going to connect it here and verify ownership. So I'm going to take you through the step to create all of that. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to say connect Google services. After you sign in, go ahead and select all of these and continue. Now, here's the interesting thing. I actually don't have a Google account set up with this website and this email address. So we're going to have to go ahead and create one. If you click right here, it says no results found, all right? And it says enable this option to show. So we don't have all of that. Now, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create one. So note, ready to switch to Google Analytics 4. Go ahead and click right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to Google Analytics. I'm going to create a search console, and I'm going to create an analytics account. And after we've done that, we're going to head back here. So once you're logged into the right account, you're going to go ahead and create an account. The account name is going to be Zeilhan Tutorials. We could name it something else. I'm going to get everything sent to me. I'm going to click Next. The property name now, this is going to be for this tech affiliate blog. So I'm going to call it Tech Review Affiliate. I'm going to change the time zone to my actual country. I'm in Jamaica at the moment, so go ahead and use your country, and that's going to be helpful. Good. I'm going to keep the currency in US dollars, but I recommend that you use the currency as the same currency that the products or items on your website is listed in. So if you're selling products in Jamaican dollars, go ahead and change to Jamaican dollars. If you're located in Jamaica like I am, and let's say you're selling stuff in US dollars, go ahead and keep US dollars. That's the setup I'm going to use. My time zone is Jamaica and my currency is US dollars. Go ahead and click next. I'm going to say small, and my industry is business. That might be it. That might be a better computers and electronics. I love that one more. Gonna go next. All right, so I'm gonna be generating leads, sales, traffic, user engagement, and other. All right. So wait, I can't do other. So I'm gonna keep all of these and create. When you get to this stage, always ensure that you select the actual country you're in because it's gonna change the terms of service. So my country or region is Jamaica. So it's gonna go ahead and use Jamaica. Gonna accept that, gonna say, okay, got it. And this is it. Go ahead and read this. It's important that you read this document. I'm not gonna read it right now. And I'm going to accept, and I accept. That's good. The platform we're gonna use this on is the website, all right? And I'm gonna say HTTPS, gonna head back here, zeilhantutorials.co.uk. I'm gonna call it Zeilhan Tutorials, WP website, create and continue. Now we have this set up, so that's the first step. Remember, we're gonna need Google Search Console. So here you're gonna see zeilhantutorials.co.uk for the website. That's good. And you're gonna see right here that we don't have the Google Analytics account as we would like. So we're gonna go ahead and refresh this step. So the site is now loaded, and we have now Zeilhan Tutorials here. I'm gonna go ahead and use that. We're going to select the tech review affiliate. So remember that we could create a new GA4 account, and we created an actual account said tech review affiliate. That's what we've selected here. And what we're going to say view is, well, the data stream that we just created right here. I'm going to go ahead and leave this as it is. I'm going to go ahead and install the analytics code. But you know the thing that's interesting, there's another plugin that we're going to get to in the future called Google Sitekit. That's a better plugin to add the Google Analytics code to your website. So if you're not using any other plugin or theme to install Google Analytics code, you can go ahead and install this. And I'm going to exclude logged in users. So if you're logged into the website as an administrator, it's not going to add your information to the analytics, which is very important. That is good. And the Google Search Console is fine. And no AdSense account just yet. That's a pro feature as well. Going to go ahead and continue. Going to go ahead and activate everything here. And activate everything here, save and continue. I'm going to leave everything here as is, save and continue. And this is good. Now we can enable auto update of the plugin. Just for your sakes, I'm going to say go ahead and do that. Go into setup advanced options. All right. So I'm not going to do anything with the role manager. I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to save and continue. 404 monitor always on, and we're going to also activate our redirections. These are very helpful. That we're going to use in the future when we're SEO optimizing our website. So save and continue. We're going to say, so this schema is actually a review. So we don't have actual review, so we're going to keep article. We're going to say our type is a blog post, schema type for pages. We're going to say that's none. And schema type for floating buttons, none. And schema type for product reviews, we're going to say article. And it's going to be in the form of an article. Now, I'm going to show you the difference very soon on our website between a post, which is actual blog post, and a product review. So we have two different data types in that regard right here. So I'm going to show you that very soon, which is what influences the option set here. So go ahead and save and continue. And this is good. Now, very quickly, I want to show you the difference between a blog post and a review. And then we're going to just review some stuff here. So we just go to visit site because we selected the options. I need to at least understand what's happening. We have this here. Let it stay. We're just going to go ahead and close it. So now we're going to go to our latest news. Now, our latest news in this tutorial is our blog posts. We learned how to use ChatGPT to write this blog post on the iPhone 16. And it was made on September 5, all right? So this is an actual blog post. That's the schema type that was selected for here. And it's going to be important for what appears on Google search page results whenever someone asks a query about your website and, this information can be presented. Very, very helpful for your schema. And our reviews are our tech reviews. So we did this tech review on the iPhone 16 based on the blog post that we wrote. And as you realize, the tech review is a little bit different. It shows a picture of the product, several different pictures. It also gives you ratings for different features or aspects or specifications of the item. It gives you an overall score. You can read more or you can buy now, which is an affiliate link right here. It gives you the main, well, we're the one that did this as it is. It gives you the specs, the pros and the cons, and it gives you some information with pictures and so on. So that was the difference between our reviews and our blog posts. Like I said, if you want to learn how to make this website for free, you can just go ahead and watch the tutorial in the description. All right, the thing that we wanted to look at is our analytics tab, just to ensure that our search console and our analytics account were set up properly. So we have analytics, that's good. We go to rank math, we have analytics, that's good. Let's just go to general settings and let's go to analytics, and search console is green and our analytics is also green. So that's good. I'm just going to go ahead and activate that. So we've set this up perfectly. And that's it for rank math. Just to show you that it's actually working, we're going to check on one of our posts. All right, so go to all posts. The post that we wrote using ChatGPT, which is this one right here. Let's go ahead and edit. Notice it says SEO score and it says not applicable. That's fine. And that is from rank math, mind you. And rank math is working. See, we have the rating and we have content AI, all from rank math. That is good. This tutorial has been successful so far. It turned out really well. In our next tutorial, what we're going to learn is we're going to learn how to optimize this blog post that we just viewed right here. Also optimize this blog post for SEO, meaning that we're going to get it from 10 it was, or 20. Yeah, it's a 19 out of 100 to a score of, let's say, 95 or 100 out of 100 in the tech review, in the SEO score. And that's going to help you get more website traffic to your blog posts and your tech reviews. And we're also going to learn how to set up Google Sitekit plugin. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please go ahead and hit subscribe for our future tutorials and our future videos. Take care. See you next time.